Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the KuCoin crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device and you will now see the sign up/login button. Just tap on this button and use the sign up section at the top in order to create your account using your email address or phone number. After typing in your email address or phone number, make sure that the privacy policy and the terms of use are checked and then click on Create Account. You can also continue with your Telegram account by tapping on the Telegram button. You will now be prompted to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find your 6-digit code. Just enter this code within the given box and now you will be allowed to create a password for your account. After typing in your password, tap on the Confirm button and you will be prompted to create your passkey as well. Just tap on the Create button and then tap on the Send button to receive another verification code. Now after entering the code for a second time, your passkey will now be created and you can now log in using your biometrics. You will then be prompted to verify your identity, but you can do this later as well. Now you have successfully signed up to the KuCoin crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.